Hi everybody. So you just finished doing all this work for creative writing, going back to a certain piece and trying to sort of finish it. And your next step is to share it. So your first step is to go into this section Padlet, which will roughly look like this. And you'll notice that there is a heading that corresponds with each of the creative writing activities. So for example, let's say I did the perspective flip. I would click on a new post. And you'll notice a few things. There's a space for title and space for write something. We've given you directions on how to title each activity. So for the perspective flip, I'm going to write down the low cuts strike again because that was the short story I went back into. And then it says write something. And here we just want you to give us like a one sentence, like why would somebody want to check this out? So I'll write here, check this out for more about the Placer Cool Guys. And once I've done the title and the say more, or sort of write something here, you're going to click down on these three dots and you'll notice a whole bunch of options for what you can do next, and we'd like you to click on film. And when you click on that, a video booth window will open up. There is a possibility for some of you that a window will pop up instead that says, do you want to connect with the camera of the computer? And you just want to say yes. You want to allow Padlet to access your computer camera. So you might have to do that first. And then this window will pop up. So you'll see yourself talking just like you see me talking. And a couple things I want to point out to you. They remind you, you can pause and resume at any time. So if you hate what you've done, you can absolutely get rid of it and you can start over. You can also just sort of stop. Let's say you're like about to sneeze and you want to stop, sneeze, resume. Totally go for that too. The other piece that's a good reminder, 5 minutes is your max. So again, you might want to do it and then it's over 5 minutes. You realize it's too long. You got to go back, redo it. So it's really helpful. It gives you some guidelines as you're going. And down here at the bottom, which you'll see in a moment, that's where it gives you how much time you've taken. So you can see how much time while you're recording. And at the end, you can also replay the video before you save. And I love this last part. It just makes us smile. So when you are ready, you're going to have your script out. You are going to click the record button and basically just run through the script. So I'll show you what that looks like. So you go to click. And you'll see immediately that everything has changed. It now says record. You can see the pause here in case you want to pause. And you also can see that it is ticking down the time for you. So you know how much time you've been taking with talking, and you know when you're going to get close to that 5-minute mark. So at this point, you're reading off your script. You're letting us know what story you chose. You are letting us know some of the moves that you made as an author. You're telling us a little bit about the story prior to the excerpt that you decided to really finalize. And then you're going to share that piece, just that excerpt. At the end, you're going to do some sort of salutation, some type of ending. And at that point, then you will hit the pause button. You are done. And when you hit pause, you'll notice some new things again. If you're like, that was absolutely terrible, discard and restart. Or, Mom interrupted me by telling me it's dinner. Awesome, can't use that. Discard and restart. Your other option, if you're feeling like it was pretty good, you can do playback and save. And this will allow you to click play, see how it went, see if you like it. If you do, you can click save. It'll let you know, hang tight, we'll be done in a jiffy. And you'll see it making its way through the saving process. This might take, maybe up to a minute or so, but just hang tight right there. And this is how you know that you are all set and good to go. This will pop up. And then you can just double check. All right, I have my title, I have my one sentence grabber, I have my video, I'm good to go, I'm all set, and I've accomplished what I need to.